I've built a watch winder to keep my automatic watches always ready to be used. A watch winder should simulate wrist movement. This keeps the movement always in sync, avoiding to reset it every time. I designed the main body with some slots for wood panels for a more elegant result. After a few prototypes, I managed to get the functional design I wanted. To move the watch, I used a stepper motor. I developed a simple sketch to have a rotation in both directions, every 10 minutes. The effect of the textured print is very nice during rotation. Let me know if you like it or if you are interested in this design.